Ladies and gentlemen, it's Derek here with Moist Sauce Productions, and I wanted to add a little additional thing that I mentioned in the last video. And this last video was the late June Tesla software update. So what I wanted to clarify was the first portion, which is about the traffic light stop beta. If there is a car in front of you, so ongoing traffic, you are not the first car. It will go through the light without you tapping down on the gear stalk and it pressing the accelerator. That's the one thing that it will do. So if you don't know, it actually every time you went through a light, whether there was a car in front of you or not, you would have to put the stalk down or you would have to press the accelerator pedal. So that's the update, just to clarify that. If there's no car in front of you, it will not go through the green light unless you confirm it. Now, the second portion of that is the TuneIn portion. So the TuneIn Radio, the additional feature that I did not mention was that it also includes, for podcast or for anything that you're listening to on TuneIn, you can play back the actual podcast at 1 times, 1.25 times, 1.5 times, and 2 times. So some people like to listen to podcasts faster so they can get through more of them more quickly. So that's the additional feature for that. And then the last thing that I confused and screwed up was that on the actual backup cameras, it's not coming from the pillars that are right here. It's actually coming from the cameras that are the Autopilot cameras that are right below your Sideview mirrors. So to take an angle back, so it's actually pretty good for if you're looking to see if there's any car in your blind spot, because it's looking at an angle like to the left here, so exactly where you would look in your side view mirror. One additional thing that I forgot to mention was that I wanted to show you some footage of the actual dash cam, and when a event comes up, what that looks like and where that red dot is, so you can see it for yourself. If you go here to your launcher, you can see the red dot here, and this shows a person running by the vehicle and where that particular event happens. So that's a really good thing when you want to review what footage actually triggered the Sentry mode to turn on. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.